So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we'll be seeing some job opportunities. So if you have 0 years of experience or even 1 or 2 years of experience, there will be a lot of opportunities for you all. So guys, we are on hackerearth.com website. So you will go under the challenges tab, so you can see the recent challenges which are going on right now. We will simply click on upcoming challenges. So you can see there are a lot of challenges going on, and there are some challenges that are about to start, right? So we will see some of these challenges only. So before starting this video guys, I would like to tell you that this is my main channel. On this channel I upload videos in Hindi. So if you will click on this channel guys, you will get 310 videos over here. And if you will go to the playlist section, so I make videos related to interviews, interview experiences. Like guys, I have uploaded Java interview questions, compiler design, right? Interview related videos like how to prepare for interviews and what is hack with Infi, and everything is covered in my videos. So do visit this channel guys. If you know Hindi, I'm sure you will love the content. I'll simply give the link of the website in the description guys. So now let's see the challenges. I have opened some challenges from here only, from the upcoming challenges, right? So there are a lot of challenges, like you can see there are 11 challenges right now, but I have opened only those challenges in which there is 0 to some years of experience, right? Like I am assuming that if somebody is searching for a job and he or she does not have any experience, so I have opened only those challenges. So you can search for all the other challenges over here. So if you will click on any challenge, some of the challenges might be for, like, if you have 3+ years of experience, then only you can apply, right? So for this we can see the post is software engineer training and the company is ESCO diversity challenge. So guys, you can see the challenge will start on January 8 and it will close on January 10, and the duration is 3 hours and the CTC is 6.5 lakhs per annum. So you can see guys, this challenge is only for female candidates. Okay, males cannot apply to this. And the criteria is CGPA should be 60% and above, and you should be from BE, BTech or MCA, and your graduation year should also be 2020, right? So location will be Bangalore and your CTC will be this. And you can also see a sample challenge if it is given over here. Yes, it is given. So guys, if you want to take the sample challenge, you can also take that. So this is the scenario, right? You can come and read this. So what is the challenge format? You will have one programming question restricted to C++, Java or JavaScript, or even C# is also allowed, and you will have 3 hours to answer that, right? So your job will start in next 1 to 2 months. Now let's see the next one. This is CTC is 7 to 20 lakhs per annum, and it is for 0 to 4 years of experience, and the post is software engineer, and the company is ECS software engineer cloud hiring. So in this challenge guys, they are asking you for AWS concepts. So you will have to build an application in the section 2, and you should have 0 to 4 years of experience, right? And eligibility is AWS developer certification. If you have it, then that's great. Okay, that is the eligibility criteria over here. And required skills are development of AWS platform using Python. So you can come and read all these things. Okay, so these things I have already told you. Job location will be Pune. That is also temporary location. And the purpose of the job you can come and see over here, right? They're asking that you should know all these things, who you are, what you are. You can come and read all these things, right? I'll give the link in the description. They're also asking that you should have all these skills, like strong knowledge of Python. You should have AWS SDK, right? Experience on agile teams as a developer, and so on. So you can come and read all these things. I'll give the link in the description. So now let's see the next challenge. So the next challenge is of the same company, but that is for the developer hiring challenge, and it is for software engineer front end, and you should have 0 to 4 years of experience. And guys, the CTC is 7 to 20 lakhs per annum, and the challenge will open at 15th of January and it will close at January 24. So you can take the challenge at any time from any place, and the duration will be 5 hours, right? So guys, eligibility criteria, if we look at that, you should have experience 0 to 4 years and hands-on knowledge. They're asking for JavaScript, TypeScript and React. Okay, if you know this, then you can apply over here, and your job location will be Pune, and you can come and read all these things, your job role and what will be your responsibilities, right? And the skills they're asking for good UI design using HTML and CSS, and they're also asking experience with working with AWS, strong knowledge of JavaScript, TypeScript and React, right? You should be excellent at problem solving skills. So these are some of the skills. Desirable things are also given, like you should know MySQL. If you know MySQL, that will be great, right? Knowledge of Python, Spring Boot. So these are the things, right? You can come and see over here. You can also see the sample challenge, and you can also read these frequently asked questions. So this is the scenario. Now let us see the next one. So guys, this is for the role of a software developer. 1 to 5 years of experience is required, and it will start at 22nd of January 2021 and it will close after 2 days. Okay, so the duration of the exam is 2 hours. So you have to register. Simply click on register and you will get registered. So recruitment process, you can see step 1 will be a registration on HackerRat. Then you will have an online assessment. Then results will be announced based on the candidate scores and their resumes. And then you will have 2 days of remote hackathon, right? So the challenge format, when we talk of it, there will be 3 programming questions, no language restriction, you can code in any language, Java, Python, C, C++, right? And then there will be 2 days hackathon. And if we talk of eligibility, you should have 1 to 5 years of experience and open for developers from SDK, backend, data science and system design background. They have given over here, and job location will be Bangalore, right? So guys, you can come and read all these things over here. So I'll give the link in the description. Okay. And you can also read about the company and the guidelines, the frequently asked questions. You can also take a demo sample challenge over here, right? So that's it from this video, guys. If you like the video, click on the thumbs up button and do check this Hindi channel if you know Hindi. And till the time, take care. Goodbye.